Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing one of the most important topics that impact our daily lives, health and wellness. In today's world, with our fast-paced and busy lives, it can be easy to overlook our health and wellness. However, taking care of our physical and mental health should be a top priority, and this video aims to give you tips and advice to help you improve your overall well-being. Firstly, let's discuss why health and wellness are so important. Our health impacts every aspect of our lives, from our work and social lives to our overall happiness and well-being. Maintaining good health allows us to perform daily activities without difficulty, and it also helps us to prevent diseases and illnesses. Additionally, when we prioritize our wellness, we can better manage stress and anxiety, leading to an overall improvement in our quality of life. Now, let's discuss some tips for improving your health and wellness. Firstly, it's essential to exercise regularly. Physical activity not only helps to keep your body in shape, but it also releases endorphins that improve your mood and reduce stress levels. You can start by incorporating small amounts of exercise into your daily routine, such as taking a short walk during your lunch break or doing some yoga before bed. Secondly, it's important to eat a healthy and balanced diet. Eating nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help to provide your body with the energy it needs to function correctly. Avoid processed and sugary foods as they can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Thirdly, make sure you are getting enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for the body to rest and recover. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and create a bedtime routine to help you relax and unwind. Fourthly, practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of the current moment. This practice can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels and improve overall mental health. You can start by taking a few minutes each day to sit in silence and focus on your breath. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we may struggle with our health and wellness. In these cases, it's important to seek professional help. Don't be afraid to reach out to a healthcare professional or a mental health counselor. They can provide you with the support and guidance you need to improve your overall well-being. In conclusion, prioritizing our health and wellness is essential for leading a happy and fulfilling life. By incorporating regular exercise, a healthy diet, adequate sleep, mindfulness, and seeking professional help when necessary, we can improve our overall well-being. Remember to take small steps and be patient with yourself. Improving your health and wellness is a lifelong journey, and every step counts. Thank you for watching today's video, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.